In this video, we look at what is Skrill and how does Skrill work. Skrill, a digital wallet service, has quietly revolutionized the way people manage and transfer money online. Little-known facts about Skrill include its massive user base, processing billions of dollar transactions annually, and its widespread acceptance in over 120 countries. Skrill operates as a secure online platform where users can store, send, and receive funds. It's akin to a digital version of a traditional wallet, but with enhanced features and global reach. The process of using Skrill is remarkably straightforward. Users begin by creating an account, providing basic personal information, and verifying their identity. Once the account is activated, funds can be added through various methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, or other digital wallets. One of Skrill's key advantages is its speed and convenience. Transactions are typically processed instantly, allowing users to send or receive money quickly. This is particularly beneficial for international payments, which can often be time-consuming and costly through traditional banking channels. Skrill's global network of partners ensures that funds can be transferred seamlessly across borders, eliminating the need for complex currency exchanges. Beyond its core functionality, Skrill offers a range of additional features to enhance the user experience. These include the ability to shop online at thousands of merchants, send money to friends and family, and even gamble at online casinos. Skrill's security measures are robust, employing advanced encryption and fraud prevention technologies to protect user funds and personal information. In conclusion, Skrill is a versatile and convenient digital wallet that has gained significant popularity worldwide. Its ease of use, speed, and global reach make it a compelling option for individuals and businesses seeking efficient and secure online payment solutions. As technology continues to evolve, Skrill is likely to play an increasingly important role in the future of digital finance.